Most women think they need a long workout for tummy fat, belly fat, or weight loss. They don't. Watch this. I'm Natasha Mohan, and for years I've helped women create simple fitness and healthy routines that work in real life. One thing I've learned again and again is this: the biggest problem is rarely laziness or lack of effort. The real problem is trying exercise plans that are just too hard to follow consistently. When life gets busy, work piles up, family needs attention, stress increases, and energy levels drop. A long belly fat workout or difficult weight loss routine starts feeling impossible. Then many women begin to think something is wrong with them when actually the plan was wrong from the beginning. That is why practical workout beat perfect workouts. A few minutes of daily movement can be more powerful than an hour routine that keeps getting skipped. Over the years, I've seen women feel lighter, stronger, and more active, and more confident when they stop chasing extreme exercise plans and start following easy home workouts they can repeat. And that is exactly why I made today's routine. It is short, standing, easy to follow, and designed for busy days when motivation feels low. You do not need to be fit before starting. You do not need expensive equipment. You do not need a gym membership. Sometimes the biggest transformation starts with the smallest step. Today is your chance to take that step with me. Stay till the end, because the final move is where many women feel the biggest difference in their body and energy. If you've tried before and stopped before, do not judge today by the past. Just give me these few minutes and focus only on today. Quick question for all of you before we begin. Which city are you watching this video from today? Tell me below in the comments section so we can build a strong and good family to motivate each other. Let's begin this very first move. So I'm standing here right in front of you, right in front of my bed, so I can show you the easiest exercise ever, and that too super effective. Now this is completely beginner friendly, so I don't want any one of you to make any further excuses. I do realize we do have a hanging belly, which just looks awkward when you're trying to fit into your favorite clothes. And many of you have requested for a video which will help tighten and tone that very belly. From a hanging belly to a slim waist, all you have to do is this one simple move with different variations. I'm going to show you the level 1. For that, we have to keep our hands here, which is slightly below the waist level, and we have to lift our knees like this. Make sure the knees touching the palm. There should be no cheating, and you have to do this slowly. So there is no perfect reps, there is no perfect exercise. All you have to understand is that you can do as many till you start feeling the burn. You can do this in front of the television while you're watching your favorite TV show. You can do this during your day job when you're at work. So simple. Just keep a gap of at least half an hour to 45 minutes between this exercise and your lunch or whatever meal you're taking. See, you've managed to do this so well. Now, if you want to increase the intensity, you can do it slightly faster like this. This is even better. Just land your toes first and then your heel. It's like you're marching. No stopping. One simple and easy, consistent exercise which you can actually do daily. Now this is the real deal. So proud of you. Well done. Now let's take it a notch higher. I do realize you've enjoyed the previous exercise and it's so doable. So let's take it a notch higher. Now let's put our hands to the waist height level. Earlier it was at the knee height. Now it's at the waist height. This level. Same. Knee raises. Slowly. I have already started feeling the burn in my lower belly. my abdominal muscles. I'm sure you must have too. So just play this video the entire length and do this exercise with me just the way I'm doing it. Now what many of you do is don't keep your arms still and you tend to bring your arms here. Arms should be positioned at whatever position they are. They should be stationary. Only the leg, your knee has to touch your palm. That's it. Now if you want, you can do it faster, which is even more effective, like this. I'm wearing socks, but if you're on a slippery surface, you don't have to wear socks. You can do it bare feet or wear comfortable footwear, your sports shoes, and that's it. Gone are the days when you have to wear your sports shoes and go all the way to the gym. Now you just have to stand next to your bed, don't you? Well done. So proud of you. As preempted by many of you, yes, you're right. Now we are going to raise our arm distance all the way up to our chest. We started with the knees, came up to the waist, and now we have graduated to your chest level height. Now for this, you have to lift your knees slightly higher. That's it. Just go slow and steady. Keep your breathing normal. Exhale normally and inhale normally. Remember, your arms stay stationary and only your leg is moving up and down. Just try to tighten your core muscles slightly. That's where the magic is happening. Your lower belly will feel the burn, and so will your legs. Just keep going. Now let's increase the speed slightly. Like this. Back to school, isn't it? Many of you must be remembering doing this for your physical education activity in school. And I'm telling you, this is so effective. Well done. So proud of all of you. Extremely proud of you. I'm sure you must have enjoyed this one simple and easy move with 3 different variations immensely, because this is such an easy exercise. And for tightening and toning of the abdominal muscles also, you must do this exercise at least 2 times a day, morning and evening if you can. And if you can take it a notch higher, 3 times a day, perfect. Don't count, just play the video along with me and do the entire length.